I'm at Aloft Hotel in Kuala Lumpur today, and just got my room. We're going in now. I have room 919 today, and in we go. Okay, here we are. Well, this was going to be a family trip to KL, but it turned out that it's just me going, and I've got 2 beds, so I have a choice of beds to sleep in, and I've got this lovely corner room. So over there we have this lovely little corner window with nice views. Let's take a quick look. So our loft, of course, is right here at KL Central. That curvy roof is the KL Central building down there. It connects nicely to our loft, so that's nice and easy. And this is just panning around now, looking at the skyscrapers around here. And over there, those condos are Suasana Central condominiums. Yeah, so it's a nice little corner room with a desk. There's the 2 beds. A meaningless little picture there on the wall that I just can't get, but never mind. Technology transfer already got. No idea what that means. And there's the TV. And a little sofa right under the TV. Perhaps a strange place to put a sofa, but never mind. Got plenty of water, got a little fridge down there. Brought some food to keep myself going. And the bathroom area is pretty much the same as in our last video of our loft, where Lauren had left her poop in the toilet bowl. We have the shower, and on this side of the sliding door, the toilet. Sink area. Safe box as usual. Me in the mirror. Some slippers down there. And on this side, of course, the nightgown or the dressing robes or whatever you want to call them, which I love to use every time I come to a hotel. So that's my room for the next 2 days.